Sweet, salty, savory, sour, the taste and the flavor, probably the first thing that comes to mind when you're thinking about food. But what is food really for? It is, of course, for energy.
And we are happy to be here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today with Lula Randel. She is a 3rd grade student and ready to show us some healthy energy bites. So thank you so much for coming in today.
You're welcome.
So how are we going to do all this?
Okay, so first you take the bowl.
Okay.
And then you use 1 cup of old-fashioned oats.
Which one's 1 cup? Is that this one?
Yes, this is 1 cup.
All right.
And then.
I'll hold the cup. You pour it in there.
Okay.
No, I'll do it. You do this. Yeah. You don't want me pouring it. There's no telling what would happen. All right. 1 cup of oats. Okay. Good. A cup-ish, maybe more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
1 cup in. All right.
Then 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter, any kind.
Any kind. And we have. Do you like the no more sugar added, or which do you like, crunchy or creamy?
Creamy. I prefer creamy, but it's okay if you prefer crunchy.
Crunchy's better, you know that,
I
right?
like crunchy too.
No? All right. So how much do we need? Third of a cup?
1/3. Yeah.
So one of these. Oh, I can't get that. So we'll do this. April, you're just enjoying telling me what to do here.
Yeah. I like watching you work. You're doing a great job.
Okay. When you miss the cup, it's time to get back down there. All right, so there we go. Well, Lula, I made a mess. Is that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We are right on track then.
Okay. 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips.
Chocolate? Oh, chocolate chips, okay.
I bet you could probably add extra ones of those if you wanted, right? Okay.
Chocolate chips are always the best.
So where did you learn this?
So we make it at home.
Yeah?
With my family. It's an oldie but a goodie.
Oldie, but how would you know what an oldie is? Okay. All right, chocolate chips. Okay. What next?
Then you 1/4 of a cup of flaxseed. It's really good for fiber.
Sounds very healthy.
Okay.
This is where the healthy part comes in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 1/4 cup of this. I don't even know what flaxseed is. But this is an oldie but a goodie. You said, what do you want to do when you grow up? You said you wanted to be on TV, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
So I want to be on TV. And yeah.
Now you hold it. Don't get.
Well, you've got the TV thing covered now.
Yeah.
Right?
You said you want to be a singer and an actor. Don't get shy on me now.
We're not going to make you sing if that's what you're worried about.
I was kind of looking forward to that part. Okay, what are we doing?
And finally, 1.5 tablespoon of honey.
Honey.
Just to make it extra sweet.
What is that? Is that a tablespoon? That's a tablespoon, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. So am I pouring it in or are you pouring it in?
I'll pour it in.
Okay.
Sometimes it takes a little while to come out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. So this works out good for energy bites, huh? Do you do this all the time so that you can have your energy? Yeah. And it's an oldie but a goodie around your house.
Are these something you can take to school with you too?
Yeah, I had them yesterday at lunch.
Perfect.
Really? Oh, what a great! You told me 1.5, right? 1.5? 1.5.
Yeah,
1.5. Okay. 1.5. All right. So is there anything that we haven't put in there yet? That's everything, right?
Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, so now I got to mix this up.
Then
Yeah, what do we do then?
mix it up.
Listen, you're
Here, do you want
standing
me
over
to
there
do it?
looking
I'll
pretty.
mix
You
it.
do
I'll
something
mix it.
here.
Oh, look, Lula's going to do it for me. Us girls stick together.
Yeah.
All right. So you mix all this up, and it gets almost like a paste, right?
Yeah.
If I did it right. So then after a little bit, what do you do with this after you get it all mixed up?
You put it in the fridge
Okay.
for 30 minutes.
Did you know that we have a magic refrigerator? You didn't know that, did you?
We do.
I'll bet you if we put that in there, suddenly, magically, that 30 minutes will go just like that.
In a minute?
You want to try it?
Do you want to try
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
See?
Let's give it a shot, see what happens.
Let me have the
I'm gonna eat
bowl.
this
I'm gonna let
chocolate
you
chip.
take. You want to take this with you? The spoon?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see what we can do.
You better take these chocolate
Abra?
chips with you because I'm going to finish them off.
Abracadabra. Look. Oh, how amazing is that?
Amazing.
If everything
in
could
love
just
with
be
her.
that easy, right? So are they tasty?
So you roll it into a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the magic is done. So then you just throw that in your lunch to
Yeah.
munch on later? Can we eat one?
Yeah.
Can I have one?
I'll try one.
Excellent, thank you. You did these, right?
Try that one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Now see, I like that. It's crunchy, it tastes good.
And
I'm
there's
gonna
chocolate.
And there's chocolate.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be
Healthy
running around in
and
circles.
delicious.
I'm going to be running around in circles here in just a little bit, aren't I?
So Mr. Jimmy wanted to see that.
Yeah, we'll let that go. Lula Randel, you are the best.
Thank you.
And I got a funny feeling we're going to be singing you again. Wonderful talking to you. We're going to munch on these things. You stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.